friends, well, I'm back. Shalini, your IELTS expert. Today I'm going to share some tips and tricks for the listening section of IELTS. Well, some students find the listening section of IELTS a bit tricky, but trust me, you can actually score very well in the listening section if you follow these effective and easy to follow tips. So let us start. Well, the first three sections or the first three parts of the IELTS listening exam usually include conversations between two or more people, and sometimes they also have monologues and lectures. So in order to understand these conversations clearly, you need to improve your listening skills. One way to do this is to watch English news channels, particularly debates and discussions. Well, you can also watch podcasts on Google or Spotify on different topics such as health, fitness, politics, self-improvement, etc. You can also give a try to podcasts with different English accents such as British accent, Australian accent or Scottish accent, which is a little difficult to understand. Let's move on. Now coming to the questions on time and questions on maps. So recently a lot of questions are being given in section 2 of IELTS listening on maps and directions. So the students should have a clear understanding of different directions such as north, south, southeast, northwest, etc. as well as different ways of expressing time such as 7:15, 7:30, etc. Last but not the least, you need to practice a lot of listening tests in order to reach that golden score. So try to practice at least 10 to 12 different listening tests before you go for your actual IELTS exam. So very easily you can score at 8.5, even 9 bands, that is full marks in listening if you practice well enough. So that's all I had from my side today. If you have any doubts or queries related to IELTS, we are all ears. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and I will come back very soon with more tips and tricks for IELTS. Thank you for watching.